Okay, so this part I'll be talking about vamping from like a beginner angle. Okay, so first of all, I will not be playing bass lines. I will just play as if there is a bass guitarist and also like as if there's a lead guitarist. So I'll be talking about vamping. What is vamping? Vamping has to do with playing chords in a particular progression. So in the key of C sharp, I'm using the jazz guitar as my main voice. Then my dual voice is a nylon guitar, giving the extra sound. Now, as a beginner, if you want to follow a song, a beginner may play a song like this. Do do ogene mi eruwe do ogene do. So this is like the progression: the 1, the 4, the 5, the 5, the 1. So do ogene mi eruwe do ogene do. Now I'll add a beat to that. Okay, so the 1, the 4, the 5, the 4, the 1. Now, that doesn't sound that bad. Yes, for a beginner level, you just go from the 1, the 4, the 5, the 4, the 1. Now, that's like the commonest progression in the Niger Delta praise. You see that almost all songs can fit into this progression. Another one is the 1, 4, 5, 1, but instead of playing it twice, play it once. So you will see that I'm playing chords with both hands. So it goes like this. Now, they don't sound really bad like that, but I'll show you a better way of playing it for as a beginner. Instead of playing that, you play this. So now I'm adding some rhythm to it. So I'm playing my left chord first before I play my right hand. So first thing, the chords are simple chords, triads. So do, mi, so, that's the first chord. Sometimes you can throw in the 2 to make it sound a little bit better. The next chord is the 4 chord. 4, 6, 1, the same thing. Next chord is the 5 chord. The 5, 7, 2, same thing. Then back to the 1. So I was saying, you play the left hand before the right hand. Instead of playing, you play this. Now let's apply that to the beat. Alright, so I've moved a step further. Instead of playing, I added another one. So left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, still on the same progression. So you have to be very careful. There's a little bit of off timing. So let's apply that to the beat again. Do ogene minyeruwe. Okay, so this is very good. You can play this anytime. I play this sometimes. It makes sense to switch between grooves. Okay, so this is a good way a beginner can vamp. This is vamping. Instead of playing, it sounds it doesn't sound cool. So play. Alright, so now that's for the beginner. Don't forget that you can play inversions. Instead of moving this way, you can play this inverted chord. So now there's a progression I want you to learn, I want you to memorize, because we'll get into that. It's the left hand. It goes from, I want you to just learn that progression. Because it will come in handy.